Hi everyone, Tam's here. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, thank you for joining me. My name is Tams and I create content that encourages a well-lived creative life. From now until the end of the year, I'm going to be trying out a new format of video that I love to follow. A lot of times you'll see it titled Cozy Vlog. And it's something that I enjoy watching, and I thought I'd try it out for my own content and throw in some of the things that you guys love to see, which is stationery, entertaining, beautiful gardens, paper crafting, books, all those things that I have been sharing over the years that you always give me really good feedback on. The first thing I want to do is share with you how I kicked off this weekend. And I attended what's called a Friendsgiving, or a Thanksgiving type dinner for friends. It doesn't necessarily have to be Thanksgiving food, but it's very common here in the States for friends to gather before Thanksgiving Day and just celebrate one another and show each other how grateful we are for one another. And this was hosted by a friend of mine, and she has the most lovely garden, most lovely home. She's an excellent cook, and she did ask me to assist and help. So I went over a few hours early and captured a little bit of B-roll and just some of the beautiful things that she had put together. She's so inspiring, and I think you'll find it very delightful, and you'll enjoy the little footage I gathered as well. Wasn't that just absolutely gorgeous? So the next thing that we did over the weekend is we went shopping in downtown Lakeland, Florida. I do live in Central Florida, and downtown Lakeland, Florida is located in between Tampa and Orlando. It is very charming downtown and has some really cute local one-of-a-kind type shops, a couple of bookstores and gift shops and things like that. So let me show you a little bit of what we saw when we were out shopping. I want to do just a quick haul of the things that I found while we were shopping in downtown Lakeland. In terms of books, I got 3 used books from the Inklings bookstore. Really excited about these. I found a Christmas book by Fanny Flagg, A Redbird Christmas. I am collecting more of vintage children's stories. So I found a very old Secret of the Old Post Box by Dorothy Sterling. So I'm excited to read this one. And I've never read this before, but it looks very good. And then Bill found this. It was a fantastic deal. It is used, but it is the Complete Tales and Poems of Winnie the Pooh. I am getting back into some of my childhood favorites because I have something exciting happening in the new year. I will be a great auntie, so I wanted to just return to some old childhood favorites so I can share those at some point. From the Scout and Tag gift shop, this is adorable, absolutely adorable. Look at this. It's a little mouse candle holder. And when I was checking out, there was a young lady that said that it reminded her of Devereaux from the Tales of Devereaux. But I have a I have a reason that I want this, and I'll share that in a later video, but I just think that is the cutest thing ever. Okay, so stationery, I did get a couple of cards. I went to 2 different shops, and this first one is going to be a Christmas card for some friends, but it's got a little mouse on it, and it says, "Not gonna lie, I put in extra rum." That's so cute. And then this one is a little animated mouse with a Christmas cookie, and it says, "The diet starts tomorrow." So I have someone in mind I'm going to send this to as well. But that's my little haul from shopping today. Now I'm going to take you into the kitchen, and we're going to bake some pumpkin chocolate chip muffins so that I can surprise my neighbor with a few this evening, and also have some for during the week as I am prepping and working hard to get ready for Thanksgiving. All right, here is the mise en place for the pumpkin chocolate chip muffins. We have sugar, oil, eggs, some spices, baking powder, baking soda, all-purpose flour, canned pumpkin, some water, and some chocolate chips. I'll be mixing the dry ingredients, the wet ingredients, and then placing them in my muffin tin here. Okay, so the muffins are done. Here's what they look like. And I have made a pot of the Harney & Sons pumpkin spice tea. And I am using my blue and white teapot. And I have just a couple of things to share with you before we sign off. For my letter writing fans, I have the latest edition of Donovan B's faux artist stamps. So if you don't know what an artist stamp is, it's a faux stamp that artists create, and you cannot use it for postage, but a lot of us use them to decorate our mail and use it for mail art. But let me show you, it's just beautiful. It's this pheasant. She sent it in this gorgeous card that she designed herself. And here's what they look like. Is that not beautiful? I cannot wait to put them on. I'm writing thank you notes this week, so I'm going to be using these on those thank you notes. The next thing I'm going to share is a friend of mine shared with me her handmade gratitude gift box, and inside there is a little kit to make a gratitude journal. It's absolutely beautiful. So it's, of course, a traveler's notebook, a plain notebook, which I love, and I will use my passport size. And then she provided a pen and a glue stick and some ephemera to first decorate this to my liking and then turn it into a gratitude journal. So I'm excited to be working on that this week. What am I reading right now? So it is nice and cool here in Florida right now. I can actually wear a little sweater. And it just made me want to read some P.G. Wodehouse. So I am currently reading Jeeves and the Tie That Binds. So really enjoying this. I love the words. They're so funny. And then I just finished up this book, which I just got. It was a quick read. It's a nonfiction. It is beautiful, but it's called Well Lived: Shaping a Legacy of Gratitude and Grace by Sally Clarkson. I absolutely love this book. I flew through it, read it in basically a day. But that's what I'm reading. I hope you enjoyed this format that I'm trying out from now until the end of the year, this sort of cozy vlogging style. And as we go out, I'm going to show you some new patio lights that were installed over the weekend in preparation for our Thanksgiving dinner. So we're planning to have a Thanksgiving dinner outside this year. We can actually do that in Florida this time of year because the weather's going to be really nice. So thank you for joining me, and I'll see you next time.